Model, 66-plate Renault Trafic Business Plus LH29 Energy dCi 125 ULEZ compliant head gasket. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 175269. MOT, 4 October 2024. Engine, 1598 cc R9M ENERGY 120 E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The head gasket will need replacing as the coolant is pressurizing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Dill pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, EU status, ULEZ compliant. HPI, clear.